So it's 6:15 a.m. Saturday morning, and we're at Jeremy's place, and Jeremy's just walking in his driveway at the moment. There he is. He's about to jump in the car. Morning, mate.
Hey, how's it going?
Yeah, pretty good. It's pretty early, isn't it?
Man, it's freezing as well.
Just arrived at Dommy's house, and we're just about to give her a call. I'm going to get Dommy to come in the car too. Yes, Dommy, we're here. Cool. Alright, sweet. Alright, bye. Okay. Alright, so now the car's practically full, and so we've got Jazz, we picked up Dommy. We're up at 6:15 in the morning because we've decided that we're going to be Joe Ash's personal alarm clock. That's right. No idea. So we thought a couple of things that we need, some instruments to wake people up in the morning. Jazz, we've got pots and pans. Trays, like baking trays. Perfect. More metal spoons and more baking trays. And clang together, bang on the head. You get the deal. So the time is 6:45 a.m. We've just arrived at Joe Ash's house. Just the appropriate time to be his own personal alarm clock. Come with us. Come on in, go. Go, Jet.
Wake up, personal alarm clock. 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 Wake up.
Alright, this is the moment we've been waiting for. What does Joe Ash look like at 7 o'clock in the morning?
Morning, Sleepy.
Oh, morning, buddy. Morning. He's a bed socks guy.
Good on you.
Do you have anything to say to your fellow writers?
I'm not telling you where I live anymore.
Mission accomplished.
Words were, you're a tool.